Buying a car in India today feels less like a simple purchase and more like acquiring a significant piece of property. For many of us, especially after landing the first big job or scoring a promotion, a car isn't just transport, it's often our first major financial milestone. A symbol of independence, a mark of progress, but let's be real, when you look at the price now, it's enough to make your jaw drop. Even an entry-level hatchback can cost you 7 to 8 lakhs on road, and if you are considering a basic family SUV, be ready to shell out 15 to 20 lakhs or even more. These aren't casual spends. For most Indians, that's years of hard-earned earnings gone in one swipe. But here's the real question. Before you commit to that down payment or sign those long-term EMIs, do you truly understand why cars are so expensive in India? And more importantly, do you actually need to upgrade your car right now, or could you be walking into a well-disguised financial trap? By the way, I'm Nikhil, a chartered accountant. I've spent nearly 2 decades working with EY, PwC, and India's one of the top wealth management firms before launching my own startup. And this is Finicky, where we simplify money, no jargon, just truth. So let's break this down, because what might seem like a logical lifestyle upgrade could actually be a major liability. So let's kick things off with the fundamental question. Why are cars in India priced so astronomically high? Especially when you compare it to the markets like US, UK, or even Dubai. The answer overwhelmingly points to one major culprit: taxation. Cars in India are subject to a cascade of heavy taxes and charges that inflate the final price far beyond their actual manufacturing cost. First up, there's the Goods and Services Tax, or GST. This isn't a flat rate, it's dynamic. Depending on the category, small car, mid-size sedan, or large SUV, GST ranges from 18% to steep 28%. But it doesn't stop there. Large vehicles and SUVs attract an extra compensation cess, which can go up to as high as 22%. Combine the two and you're looking at a tax burden of up to 50% right out of the gate. Then comes the state-level road taxes. Even state has its own slabs. Some as low as 6%, others as high as 18%. So even after paying central taxes, you hand over another chunk to your state just to register and legally drive the car. But there's more. Many critical components like advanced electronics, safety systems, and engine parts are imported. These attract hefty import duties, increasing production costs for manufacturers, which are often passed directly to you. And if you're aiming for a fully imported luxury car, the dream European sedan or powerful American SUV, prepare for even a bigger hit. These can end up costing double, sometimes even more, thanks to tariffs that can exceed 100%. It's classic protectionism, but it hits your wallet hard. Here's what many people don't realize. A lot of this is deliberate policy. The government is trying to reduce congestion, cut pollution, and manage traffic, making car ownership expensive, especially for larger, fuel-hungry vehicles, is a way to nudge people towards public transport and shared mobility. So let's make this real. Take the example of Maruti Suzuki Swift. Its estimated manufacturing cost around 5 lakhs. But once you add GST, compensation cess, state taxes, registration and insurance, the on-road price shoots up to 8 to 10 lakhs. That's a 75% markup just to bring it home. Or look at Hyundai Creta, built for roughly 9 lakhs, but you'll end up likely paying 15 to 17 lakhs just to own one. That's a huge jump. It's all extras, taxes, fees, markups, and here's the kicker, you're buying the car with post-tax income. If you are in the 30% tax bracket and buying a 14 lakhs car, you actually had to earn 20 lakhs pre-tax just to afford it. Let that sink in. You're not just paying for the car, you're paying to the participant in the system that's quietly designed to keep your ownership limited and expensive. Now, let's move to the second, equally crucial part of this discussion. Even if you can afford today's inflated car prices, the real question is, should you upgrade your car right now? But let's pause. If your current car is running fine, it's reliable, comfortable, and safe, what are you really paying for in the upgrade? A slightly bigger touchscreen, flashier LED lights, a redesigned dashboard? These are clear wants, not actual needs. And this is where the financial trap lies. A brand new car begins depreciating the moment you drive it out of the showroom. We are talking about an immediate 10 to 15% drop in value within seconds. Over 5 years, the loss deepens. Your car loses nearly 50% of its original worth. That 15 lakhs SUV you're eyeing, in 5 years, it might be worth 7 to 8 lakhs only. That's a 7 lakh hit for something you likely didn't need it in the first place. And it didn't increase your income or meaningfully improve your life. That's real money gone. And if you're buying through an EMI, that financial burden multiplies. Let's say you take 20,000 monthly EMI for 5 years, that's 12 lakhs in payments without even factoring in fuel, rising insurance premiums, service and maintenance. Your actual outflow is far higher. Now let's flip the scenario. What if you invested that same 20,000 per month in a mutual fund SIP earning a modest 12% annually? In 5 years, you would have capital of over 17 lakhs. That's a house down payment, startup capital, a solid step towards early retirement. Compare that to the fast depreciating car and the opportunity cost becomes crystal clear. Plus, let's face it, driving in Indian cities isn't exactly blissful. Between traffic, potholes, fuel prices, and nightmare parking, most cars spend more time parked than moving. So, is the upgrade really giving you value or just more stress with bigger bill? There's another angle to consider as well. Tech obsolescence. Car features like touchscreen systems or ADAS are evolving fast. What seems premium today will likely be standard or outdated in a year or two. That shiny new dashboard might soon feel like a relic, triggering the urge to upgrade all over again. Just like smartphones. Remember how cutting edge iPhone 15 felt until iPhone 16 was launched. Cars move just as fast. Buying now means you're risking locking yourself into an expensive, short-lived wow factor. And here's the clincher. Car prices in India have risen by 25% in just 3 years. The kind of spike is not sustainable. Exercising patience today could save you lakhs later. Finally, let's address the mindset. If buying that new car truly makes you happy, you love showing it off, love the feel of driving it, and it brings you genuine joy, that's perfectly okay. But be honest with yourself. You're paying a huge financial premium for that momentary high. On the other hand, if you value freedom over flair, stability over status, then maybe a reliable, fully paid off 5-year-old car is your best asset right now. It's doing its job, it's saving you a fortune. So here's the undeniable bottom line. Cars in India are expensive, not because they are ultra premium or loaded with tech, but because they are heavily taxed, tightly regulated and strategically inflated. And unless your current vehicle is genuinely holding you back, maybe it's unsafe, constantly breaking down, or no longer fits for your family's needs, upgrading may not be a wise investment. It might be a significant financial liability in disguise. But buy a car when there's a clear practical reason to. Maybe your family is growing, maybe your old vehicle is too costly to maintain, but don't buy just because everyone around you is doing it or because you feel pressured to level up. Because here's the truth, wealth isn't shown by what you drive, it's built through what you save, what you invest, and freedom you create. If you found this video insightful, do me a quick favor. Like this video and share it with someone who really needs to hear this. And subscribe to learn how to make your finances less tricky with Finicky.